I'm very excited to be able to share this news with you today, and that is that MySpace has gained a much coveted place on the GLA Retrofit Accelerator program framework. The GLA Accelerator program has been set up to look at and develop solutions for decarbonising existing housing stock. Every home in the UK will need to be net zero by 2050. So in order to achieve that outcome, we need to understand how we're going to develop that technology and approach that's going to allow every house in the UK to become net zero. So this is what this program's about. That's why the government's investing in it. That's why we're working with designers and specialists in this sector to bring the cost of this retrofitting program down, but also to develop the technology and approaches that will make it scalable for every home in the UK. The key part of it is having these long-term programs where we can invest in the skills that are going to be needed to be able to deliver these programs. Long-term investment, allowing a consistent level of throughput through the program, allows organizations like MySpace to invest in training, developing and exploring new technology. Without that long-term program, stopping and starting, we never get that learning cycle back into the programs. In the last few years, there's been such a monumental shift in clients' attitudes, society's understanding of the impact we're having on the planet. And we're really now at a cusp of change, and it's not too late. We've got a decade to tackle this problem, and let's demonstrate to the rest of the world that the UK is at the forefront of thinking about how we tackle the decarbonisation of the housing stock.